Have you ever wondered why some people seem to accomplish so much while others struggle to make progress? What separates the ultra successful from the average person? It's not luck, talent, or intelligence, it's how they manage their time and energy. The top 1% of high achievers follow specific productivity rules that allow them to maximize every hour, eliminate distractions, and stay focused on what truly matters. Most people waste their lives procrastinating, scrolling endlessly on social media, or engaging in unimportant tasks that drain their energy. But the top 1%, they have mastered the art of productivity. They don't just work harder, they work smarter. Their habits and routines are designed to maximize efficiency, cut out unnecessary effort, and ensure that every action moves them closer to their goals. 9 Productivity Secrets. Have you ever felt like time is slipping through your fingers while others seem to achieve massive success effortlessly? The difference isn't intelligence, luck, or working endless hours, it's about how effectively you manage your time, energy, and focus. The top 1% of high achievers follow specific productivity strategies that allow them to maximize every hour, eliminate distractions, and achieve more in less time. One of the biggest differences between highly productive individuals and everyone else is how they prioritize their tasks. The 80-20 rule, also known as the Pareto principle, states that 80% of results come from just 20% of efforts. The top 1% don't waste time on low-value activities. Instead, they focus on the small set of actions that generate the biggest impact. For example, a business owner doesn't spend all day answering emails or attending unnecessary meetings. They focus on growth-driving activities like strategic decision-making, networking, and innovation. If you want to be highly productive, start by identifying the 20% of tasks that bring the most results and dedicate most of your time to them. Everything else? Automate, delegate, or eliminate it. Many people mistake being busy for being productive, but the most successful individuals know that being effective matters more than being busy. Instead of drowning in endless to-do lists, they ask, what's the one thing I can do today that will make everything else easier or unnecessary? Once you shift your focus to high-impact tasks, you'll start seeing massive improvements in your productivity and success. Another powerful strategy that sets high achievers apart is their ability to work deeply without distractions. In today's world, where constant notifications, emails, and social media fight for our attention, most people have lost the ability to focus for extended periods. The top 1% protect their focus like their success depends on it, because it does. They practice deep work, a concept that involves dedicating uninterrupted time to cognitively demanding tasks, eliminating distractions, and entering a state of flow where their best work happens. Instead of multitasking, which actually reduces productivity, they schedule 90-minute deep work sessions where they focus on a single important task with zero interruptions. They turn off notifications, block distracting websites, and create an environment that maximizes concentration. If you want to achieve more in less time, train yourself to focus intensely for short periods rather than constantly switching between tasks. The ability to work without distraction is a superpower in the modern world, and those who master it outperform everyone else. How you start your day determines how productive you'll be. The most successful individuals understand the power of a strong morning routine. Instead of waking up and immediately checking their phones, they start their mornings with intention and purpose. The first hour of their day is dedicated to activities that boost focus, clarity, and motivation, such as exercising, journaling, setting goals, and avoiding distractions like emails or social media. High achievers never let external factors dictate their mornings, they take control from the start. Finally, true productivity isn't just about time management, it's about energy management. The top 1% don't force themselves to work long hours, they work when they're naturally most productive. Some people are most alert in the morning, while others do their best work in the evening. The key is to identify your peak energy periods and schedule your most important tasks during that time.